Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to bead this very picture you are seeing on the screen. How to bead it before you start the bag. The bottom, you can use it as the bottom, you can use it as the two sides, or you can use it as the top. So I'm going to show you very simple and detailed. So I just uploaded this bag some days ago. You can check it out. This is the type I'm going to bead now. The finishing, like I said, on the two sides, depend on how you position the bag. So I'm going to make the bigger one of this one. You can go and check how to make the body of the bag. If you are new here, please subscribe and remember the notification bell. In that way you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. I use size 8 on these ones, and this size 10. I will start with 6 beads. This 6 beads, you can use a size 8, or you can also use this size 10. So after picking 6, I will tie like this. I will pick 5. Thread is coming out from here. This is where the thread is coming out from, this place. I will go through the back of where the thread is coming out from. Like this. Thread is here. This is where the thread is. I will go to the next bead after the thread. The next bead after the thread. Like this. I will pick 4. Bead this time. Where the thread came out from the very first time, before I cross to the next one, I will go through the back in, through the one the thread is right now, and on top here. That means I pass through 3 beads. My needle passed through 3 beads. I will pick 4 beads and go through the back of this one, through this one, and through this one. I'm going to make a circle. So I pick 4. I will go through this one. This is where the thread is. I will go through this one, through where the thread is, and this one. It's very simple if you watch carefully. This is the 6 bead I started with. I'm going to pick 4 and go through this one, and through this one. I will pick 4 beads, and I will go through this one, and the third one. What I'm going to do now is to go through up and this time I will pick 3 beads, and I will go through this one, this one, this one before I step up to this very one. like this. My thread is on top here. I will pick 4 beads to form a circle. My thread is on top this place. I will go back through where my thread is and go through these 2 beads. These 2 beads. This is the circle I just formed now, and I go through these 2 beads. My thread is coming out from here. I will pick 3 beads to form another circle, and I will go through the previous one I just had, this 4 which I just had, one of it, this one. I will go through this one, through this, and on top here I'm going to go through 1 2 3 4, through this one, the third one, which the thread is coming out from is the third one, and the fourth one that is very close to the bead where the thread is coming out from. This time I have circle of 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. The first one I add is 5, the second one is 6, the next one is going to be 5, the other one is 6, like that. And I will pick 3. This one I just add, which I just add now, I will go through one of it, through here, and this place, which is 4. 1 2 3 4. I will pick 3, and I will go through this one, and this one. This 1 2 3 4. This time you can see I have 6 5 6 and 5. I will pick 3. I'll go through this one, and this one. 1 2 3 and 4. I'll pick 3, continue like this. I'll go through this one, and this top. So when I'm going to make the last one here, I will show you. I'm going to make the last one here. I pass my bead through here, and I'll go up to the one I started with, like this. I will pick 2. I will pass through this one, 1 2 3, and come back to where the thread is coming out from and go up here. There's 3 now, the 4th one and the 5th one, which is on top. See how beautiful it turns out now. So what I'm going to do now is to pick 3. I will go back to where the thread is coming out from. I will go through this one, this three. After passing through this one, and I pass through this one, this time I will pick 2 beads and I will go through this one which I just had, and the one the thread is coming out from, and through the next one, like this. I will pick 2, and this is the one I just had. I will go through that one, through the next one, and through the third one. I'm going to continue with 2. When I'm going to do the last one, I will show you. These 2 beads, I will pass through the previous one, this very one I just had, and where the thread is coming out from, into the next bead. I will pick 2, and through the one I just had now, through where the thread is coming out from, and the next one close to the one the thread is coming out from. After adding these 2, I will go through this very one, this one on top here, the one I started with, the very first one I had when I started this bit. I will pick just 1, and I will come this way and go back to where the thread is coming out from. I will count from here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I have 24 here. This is where I started the counting from, and I end the counting here, so it's 24. This is the final look. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, please subscribe and remember the notification bell. In that way, you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my very next